Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I have the April Petit Vour box. This one is the Petit Vour Plus. The Petit, P-E-T-I-T, Vour, V-O-U-R. It's named after little Petit Fours that you can get, little desserts that you can get just to taste little samples of things. And they named it Vour for vegan because everything in this box is cruelty-free and vegan. And they have a regular box, a subscription monthly box that you can get that has different products in it. And then this plus is past favorites. And they put a bunch in here, and it's $25 a month, and it is the shipping is included in that. So it's a great deal. We get some great products. I did cut the seal, and let's open it up and see what's in there. When you open it, it is this box that says, "Be bold and be kind, and happy mail day." This card really just talks about their box more so than the products in here. The products in here there's no card or anything. So, but I can see, right, there's some little, these squigglies in here, and then there's just some fun stuff. So right off the bat, on the top, we have this Allure Beauty. I think that's how you say that, y'all. This is a amethyst eyeshadow. Whoops. And Allure Beauty, I've had them a time or two, and I've never used them. So now's my chance. This is a little pan that I'll put into a Z-Pack, and it's gorgeous. It's just the perfect color for me. It's my favorite. It's a purple shimmer. So let's, I have ink on my hands, y'all, from, let me swatch with this hand. Because I changed out some stamps at work today. So yeah, I couldn't get it off. All right, so, oh, this is nice. It feels good. There it is, beautiful. I love that color. That is just my color. It's just perfect for me. And there it is. Whoops, a little chalky. There are some beautiful palettes by this brand that have in the palette, they have a card, like a beautiful card. I can't, like almost like a tarot card or something. But that's very nice to have. I'll put that in my Z palette. It was, it's pretty, but it was a little, it feels creamy, but it's what am I trying to say? It's, it's got fallout. That's what I'm trying to say. It's got fallout. Sorry, I did it again. And yeah, see, it's just a little, it might be a little hard to work with. I don't know. But anyway, it is pretty though. I like it. Okay, let's see what else I got. Excuse me, goodness. Now I got another one of these, and I have gotten these before, and I like them. I'm using one right now, actually. And this is the Goldie MD. This is needleless, the needleless serum. Is it called a serum? It's a thin liquid. So I put this on before I put a moisturizer on, and it's just a nice carry with you package. It's got a nice pump to it. It's not going to leak out of there. And Goldie MD is a great product line. And the needleless is the one that's supposed to take away your wrinkles. Y'all had to stop and choke. My sinuses, it's the weather. It's cold, it's hot. It's cold, it's hot. Anyway, I do have an Allure Beauty palette, which I'm not using yet. I just have one. So I wanted to show you because you'll recognize it when you see it. See, it's a real pretty case. This one is, let's see, the Desert Sunset palette. And when you open it, it does not have a mirror, but it does have those triangular pans. Very beautiful. And in there is this card. And my understanding is that there's always a card like this in here. So this says, "Tenacious is the lioness in the face of oppression, unfaltering in conviction and clout." Okay, and it has like all the moon phases around it. So that goes with this, okay? And that is, this is a sample of that. Might choke again. Okay, let's see what else I have. All right, now this has happened. I think this is the third time in a row that I've gotten this. I've got two again. And I've been keeping one and giving one away. And this time I might give them both away because I still have this, even though that looks small, it lasts a while. When you squirt one squirt out, it's enough to, well, maybe I do a squirt and a half or 2 squirts to cover my whole face. And then I have a little extra and I put it on my neck as well. So I really like it. Okay, let's move on. Got, hey, Smudge, you right here. I've got this brand now. I got this brand last time, Andalou, and a few of y'all told me it's a really excellent brand. I personally had not heard of it. This is the Moroccan Beauty Oil with rose stem cells, fruit stem cell science, Andalou Naturals, and oh, the packaging is beautiful. It says use daily, small drops to face and neck for natural glow. Okay, so let me see. Is it a? Oh, it's so pretty. That's the bottle. The bottle is glass. Look how pretty that is. Can you see? It's like a fuchsia color. Very, very pretty. And it does come out like that. It'll come out in a little bit of a stream. So, is it for a sensory experience? This silky, lightweight beauty oil with alpine rose stem cells delivers dermal vitality to soothe and nourish sensitive skin, as argan and pomegranate oils, rich in tannins and polyphenols, uplift tone and deeply moisturize for a flawless looking complexion. That sounds like you should use it in the morning. It says it's also, you can smooth it through your hair to protect and condition, and you can nourish for elbows, hands, nails, and cuticles. Dermatologist tested. Very nice. So it's an all-purpose oil. It's very pretty. I'm going to see if it has a scent. Oh, it has a little bit of a rose scent. So I like I like a little bit of a rose scent. It's very mildly scented. I'm sorry, y'all. My eyes are watering now. I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe I'm allergic to smudge. Okay. Could be. You never know. All right. This is called Fifth Dimension. This is a Sub Rosa Serum Hemp Seed Oil, Rose Hip Seed Oil. Now, I don't usually use things like that because I think it's just, you know, it's good for your skin. I just have not really ever used anything with hemp in it. And a lot of people really like it. This is, oh, look how cute that is. This is the box, and then this is the tube inside. And it has it doesn't look like a dropper. It looks more like, is it a dropper? It is a dropper. It is a dropper. I can see it now. Fifth Dimension. Very cool packaging. And let's see what you're supposed to do with this oil. Herbalist crafted organic face oil. Okay. To use, massage 5 to 10 drops into the face and neck. So I do use serums and moisturizers all year, and I use oils more in the wintertime, so I wouldn't use this right now. But I know, you know, some people use it all the time. So, and the hemp, I just don't know much about it. I actually just started using some hemp hand lotion that I got that I like. You know, I forget the name. Y'all would know it if I said it because it's a very popular brand. Okay, next I have, this is called Inkling, and it says scents. These packages are so pretty, y'all. You know, vegan, cruelty-free, made in the USA. Let's see, this is a perfume of some kind. Very pretty little package. And it doesn't say anything more than that. It just says Inkling Scents. And well, then it says like made in the USA and cruelty-free and stuff. Natural, 100% natural. That's all it says. So let's see. It looks like it might be a roller ball. Yeah. Oh, it smells pretty. It's sweet. All right, I'm gonna put it on. It's like a little oil. It's real nice. It's it's definitely flowery, sweet flowers. And I'm not a big sweet flower person, but this is not offensive to me at all. It smells very nice. It smells very spring, very clean. I like it. It's nice. Inkling. It has a little tiny something under there. Let's see. Where's my magnifying glass when you need it? You know, I have a bunch of magnifying glasses, but you think I could find one. I had one. Here it is. Here's the big giant one. At least it's something. It says, oh no, it just says inklingsense.com. I thought it would be a, oh, here on the side. It does say something on the side. It says sultry. It is very beautiful. Yeah, I wish y'all could smell it because it's nice. I would wear that. And I'm not a big perfume wearer anymore. I used to be. And then I have one last thing. And this is K Voss, maybe. It is a shine on stick, shimmer stick, illuminating, well, shimmer stick, okay, in a different language. It says sparkling rose on it. There's your vegan thing right there. What it is, a buildable and blendable cream highlighter stick with an iridescent finish that glides on easily for an on-the-go glow. This creamy formula can be used alone or under other highlighters. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I don't really wear a lot of highlighters, y'all, and I have too many. But I have friends that like highlighters. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. It is shrink wrapped, so I'm not going to open it because I'm going to send it to a friend that really likes highlighters. I don't know if she'll care for it, and that's okay. She can pass it on. But it's real nice. It's cool. It looks like it might be a crayon that you would sharpen. So anyway, I'm just going to leave it sealed. So I like to smell things, but what I'm smelling is this delicious perfume. Y'all, I feel it's so clean and spring, summer, almost even vacation smelling. I like it. I like it. Anyway, so I got the fifth dimension face oil. We got the K Voss highlighter. We have that fabulous little perfume or cologne, or I'm not sure. It's a little oily, so doesn't that make it perfume? I'm not real sure. We have this Andalou rose oil. It has more than rose, but just for ease of saying, we have the 2 Goldfaden items. These are expensive too. And then we have the Aether beautiful little, I don't know if you can see how pretty that is, because when I swatched it, I didn't do it justice with a swatch. It's crumbling. It's crumbling, so, but it is, I love it. It's beautiful. And I will definitely try it and wear it. Sorry about my voice, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. This is Petit Vour, and I believe their regular subscription is $18 a month. I'll have their information below. There's no link that you use, just, you know, like for me to get anything out of it. So don't worry about that. But if you're interested in this, go check them out, because if you want vegan and cruelty-free type products, and I'm finding out more and more that some of the products that I really love, there's a product that I really love, a product line that I really love, that changed and was cruelty-free, and they're not anymore. How do you go backwards like that? I don't understand. But anyway, I like getting this. These are nice products to try, and just something different, you know, things that I wouldn't necessarily use. But I do like oil sometimes on my legs, you know, when they get dried out. I use my Spongel. That really takes care of my alligator skin, which I don't have anymore because I use Spongel. But I like an oil will, you know, help keep my skin moisturized. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. I'm going to go and take care. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.